Happy Thursday night! We are going to be doing something neat over these next few weeks. We are going to be having computation groups. So we're moving away from doing a chapter by chapter approach and moving more towards a theme base. So you guys, and if I'm talking to parents, your children, will be working throughout 5 different chapters to be working on bigger computation, not just their fact assessment. That's still to the side. Should be working on it every night, but this is multiple digit, bigger addition and subtraction. So tonight, we talk about a couple things. One is using the hundreds chart to count on tens to add. So if my problem is 34 plus 20, I would find 34 and I would add 20. So I would just go down a row, go down another row, and I would know my answer is 54. We want to teach you that starting with 20, you could go this way too, but it's easier to go the other way. If you start with 20 and you add 34, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, there are a lot of places to make mistakes. So you want to start with the number that is not a multiple of 10, and then just add those 2 sets or 3 sets of 10. Okay, so we're going to be talking about that in the next couple weeks. We're also going to be talking about something called regrouping. Parents, we learned borrowing and regrouping, and it's going to drive you nuts, but we are going to only be talking about regrouping. It's regrouping tens, hundreds, whatever you need to be able to do your problems. So, the first thing we're going to talk about is if we have 110 and 110 6 and 13 ones that we can regroup by taking 10 of those ones away and trading in, regrouping for a long, so that we get 23. Now this also equaled 23, but we have to get you guys, the kids, to realize that we can't have the number 13 in the ones place. That doesn't make sense. So we have to trade in 10 of those ones to make a long, so that you have 2 tens and 3 ones, because you can't have more than 9 in a place. So be thinking about those couple things as we move into computation, because we're going to be working in those over the next few weeks. And we'll see you tomorrow.